ahora vamos a estar poniendo estos hood struts en mi Chevy Trailblazer. Empecemos. Hey there, today we're going to be adding hood struts to my hood. Let's get started. You're going to have to measure from the corner of this hood, de esquina de este cofre vas a medir 11 3/4. So you're going to measure 11 3/4. Then you're going to measure 27 1/4. Vas a medir 27 1/4. Para agarrar las medidas, agarra tu metro, pon en la esquina del cofre. You're going to grab your measuring tape, you're going to put it in the corner of the hood. You're going to go down, and you're going to mark 11 inches 3/4. Vas a marcar 11 pulgadas 3/4. Y luego vas para abajo y vas a marcar 27 1/4. Then you're going to measure 27 1/4. Of course, it's easier to do this with two hands. Es fácil hacerlo con dos manos. Más que I have here one hand. So that's pretty much it. Es todo. So you put a masking tape, pones tu tape y just mark. Vas a agarrar tu pieza, el bracket, y lo vas a medir de acá adentro. So que aquí la idea es que la cabeza del bracket linee con esta línea. So the idea right here is the head of the bracket, this part right here. So line up to mark with this like pretty much straight. I'll show you right now. And I'll put a masking tape for you guys to have an idea. Okay, so see, I could have it straight to the head. I have line. So ven que aquí tengo marcado la línea a la cabeza. So I have a line, my mark straight to the head of the bracket. You know, mark it with the Sharpie. Same thing over here. My line, I have it marked, and I'm all ready to go. Es lo mismo acá arriba. So ahorita vamos a ponchar los hoyos y vamos a hacerle con una broca. So right now we're gonna mark the holes and we're gonna use a drill bit. So I had to go to the store real quick. My other one broke, so I had to get something more quality. I had that one for years. So yeah, but it still works. Got the brackets. Got las braquetas. Now the moment of truth to test everything out. So overall, to capture this video, this is a DIY how to install these hood struts. I am gonna have them available on the eBay store. I'll put a link down below. And as you know, as every video, remember to subscribe, like the video if you like it, and thank you for watching. So one thing I forgot to mention is when you install this bracket, don't put it so close to that wall. See how it's stopping there? Leave like a little gap, like a 16 of a gap, because if you don't leave that gap, you're gonna be hitting right here with right here. See that? So like a 16 will be perfect. Like over here on this side, I left a little gap on it, not so much. You see that little difference there? See the light? So that little difference could mean everything. See, I have no hit over here whatsoever. Nothing's hit. So yeah, just a suggestion, leave like a 16 gap, 1/16 gap, or a 32, not so close to the wall. But yeah, other than that, everything's good. So the hood struts. Sorry for the other take, you know, there was so much going on. We had so much background noise, so much grinding, so only a lot of people had to do construction. So, but this one, these are the new hood struts that are going to be included in the kit. These have the upgraded versions from the last ones, and you guys can see, you know, in the video, I just popped the hood a little bit open and it just takes it all the way up. So that's pretty much it. Remember, you like the video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe.